Hi everyone. What a great day here at Fxlivedaytrading.com. If any of you are wondering, we are just going to do a really quick stream here, discuss some possibilities in the up and coming sessions, what may happen tonight in the London session, which I may just be trading, and just an overall feel, some thoughts on the market. If for some reason you do want to participate in the chat room, go ahead to fxlivedaytrading.com and you can sign up there for premium membership and become a premium member, and then you'll be able to go ahead and participate. Feel free to enjoy. I had an oil trade last week. I lost a point on it, got some cold feet. I said, I'm just going to stay out. It was a short. Of course, I would have stayed in. It would have been a wonderful situation. However, I wanted to keep to my stop, and I did so. What we have up here is two pairs, and we're going to start with Forex, and then we'll jump to futures. And I'm going to do this briefly because I have to leave soon. But I love to share and empower traders and let them know that yes, they can succeed at this. It's really not difficult. The one who makes it difficult is yourself. Go look in the mirror. You are the one that is making this difficult. Now, of course, if you have a tool set and you're still making it difficult, then you need trading. I can tell you that the one who is your biggest great job, because that's essentially what this is about. All right, let's get to the dollar yen. How high can we go? Who knows? But we are getting some very, very nice risk on, and as a result, this has just moved this and has punished the shorts on the dollar yen, especially those from last week who thought the world was coming to an end because of the bombing that happened in Iraq. Be very careful, my friends. I say this all the time. I know, Helen, as you know, we were just talking about this last week, and basically what she was saying is there's always news bits coming out, and apparently as a new trader, she would see a nice article on the front page of CNBC and just get into that trade, get into that, long, short, a currency pair, a commodity, whatever it is. And after 2 months, she realized her win rate was like horrible. Dollar yen, this is the pair that was supposed to move much lower, not last night, but the Sunday before. When you did see that issue with Iran, it was a slight move lower, really quick, knee-jerk reaction, and boom, reversal. Now here is where I'm a bit upset. I went long that, and as you know, that signal was sent out, members were ecstatic, and I said we could continue to go much higher. Now guess what? I didn't stay to see it much higher. I still made a very good profit. Now I'm waiting and I'm watching and I'm looking. I had a tiny position on this that I kept, but for the most part, I didn't watch the whole ride higher. But we had the direction proper, and that's the main thing. Because if you were short this, in the least bit, Fred, I know, that's a very good point. Good point, Fred. He mentioned that knowing that we were going to go long, he did not short it because he wanted to short it. So yes, he didn't take the long, but you know what? He didn't short it, which would have been a horrible beatdown financially. Depending on your size, of course. But so gauging direction is so important. Now, there is no solution that we can come up with where we're going to be correct all the time. All right, this is a career that if you are correct 30% of the time and you let that ride, you let those winners ride, you could do very well. That's a different style of trading. Some like to be in and out, and that's that. All different methods to trade. Money management, as we know, is very important. So let's get to the pairs here. Kind of going off on a tangent. The pound dollar. Where are we? Where may we go this week? Here. This is a very simple, and I didn't add a lot of indicators here. I want to keep it very simple for those of you, because we are streaming this live. Some people may be watching this, they may be new to Forex, they may not understand, they may be new to trade. Watched. Can it break down? Absolutely, it can break down, and once it breaks down, that trend line is no longer valid. Can we go ahead and move off of it and go higher? Absolutely. This is something that we must pay attention to. Now, why do I think we're going to get the bounce? If we look back at the weekly support levels, it's all coming in and pointing to this key level. Now, I am not saying that we are going to get a massive move higher now. We don't know. I'm just saying that we've reached the level. If we cooperate with the trend line, we could very well make it back to the 32 area, or at least the 31 and change. We're going to wait and see. I am bullish on the, are going to see a move higher for the rest of the week here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and again, I know, look, many of you who are in this trading room have been so for quite some time. I may be just shorting that a day or two later. But for now, today, it's 5:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the 13th of January 2020. I'm going to say I'm bullish at least for the next few sessions. Okay, so we'll put a nice little bullish there. Now we're going to get to the dollar yen. I've been getting asked a lot about the dollar yen. Shouldn't we be going down? Debt is increasing, and all these different things that maybe you've been reading. The fact of the matter is we've been doing nothing but going up. Now we do have this area of 110. Do I think we're going to hit 110 and move lower on that? I'm going to tell you, I don't think so. I'm going to put a bullish, I'm going to say bullish on this one. However, I'm cautiously bullish. I'm not taking the signal to the upside. So right now, I'm just going to keep it neutral, because unless I really feel compelled that I'm going to get into something, I don't like to say bullish. I don't like to say bearish. And if I was forced, I would go long rather than go short. But I'm going to stand aside and just say, you know what, I'm just going to stay neutral. But this is looking really nice. We did make a pretty large move. We're probably going to come down to maybe 109.52, make a proper little move lower here, and then maybe go up or form a head and shoulders. I don't know. All I know is we're moving above a key level here, 109.72, that you can see here on the daily. Who knows what's going to happen once we hit that level. Now take a look at the SPX, people. Look at where we are here. Everybody thought the world was coming to an end. I had friends texting me, emailing me, looks like finally we're going to get that topping pattern. I've been punished before with those type of, thoughts. This is not an environment, my friends, in an election year where you want to be thinking in terms of being a perma bear, a person who thinks that the SPX is going to continuously go down. Be careful. All right? Where do we go from here? I don't know. Who the heck knows? But I can just say that short this and you may just find yourself severely punished. I'm going to step aside. However, how do you not have a bullish bias on the SPX 500? I'm day trading this, all right, on the 5-minute chart, and day trading it on the 15-minute chart. I'm very reluctant to sit here and hold the SPX with 20, 30-point gap up and gap downs. Just not happening, all right? So now The SPX hasn't even been filling a lot of its gaps. Be careful, gap traders. It used to work really well. Not anymore. Now we have Globex, around-the-clock trading. Gaps are not all that valid anymore. Okay, do they have some substance as a support and resistance intraday? Absolutely. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have to go, Eddie, so I'll email you that a little bit later on, okay, as far as that question. But I hope this helps some of you out there, because we're live streaming this. And I look forward to later. London session trading. Can't wait. Very exciting day. And everybody have a great one. Take care. Bye now.